told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you for stopping by. So guys, today we are making this fluffy moi-moi, so stay tuned and enjoy. So guys, to make this moi-moi we need beans. I've washed and peeled the beans. This is our pepper, tatashi and scotch bonnet. Put according to your tolerance. This is the one I'm using. So we have onions, we have our spices here, we have garlic. Here we have our vegetable oil, our smoked fish and boiled egg. So I'll be using this leaf to season to flavor the moi-moi rather. I'll be tying the moi-moi in this leaf. So I'll blend these beans and this pepper. I'll blend these beans, pepper, onion and garlic together. So we blend the beans now. We blend these beans batch by batch. And we blend this batch. So this is the first batch. We'll pour it inside here. And blend the second batch. If your blender is strong enough, you can blend all of them at the same time. Add onion. And the garlic. You will continue the process till you are done blending the beans. This is the last. So now we are done blending. We mix these spices with hot water so they can melt very well. This is the spices we are using. Then thyme. With our no. We put all of them in a plate and mix with hot water. You don't want when you're eating your moi-moi, you are testing pepper, you are testing spices. No, you don't want that. Add in hot water. Then mix it. Pour it inside our batter. Now it's time to mix everything. Mix it together. We add oil at this stage. We add we add the smoked fish for flavors. Add it here. we'll put it when we are wrapping the moi-moi. So this is the consistency. This is the pot I used to cook the moi-moi. Now I will show you guys how to wrap it with using these leaves. First off, I'll cut off this. Cut off this and put it in a pot. Then wash me, just the two. You not put it together, you keep it like this. Then you fold. After folding, you bend the end like this. Then put in your butter here. Put the egg. Close it up like this. Close this one, close this one. Then you bend it. So guys, I'll do it again in case you didn't get it the first time. Bring two leaves together. Fold it. Make a space where you put your butter here. Break it, bend it at the end. Then place your butter. Put in egg. Then fold it. You fold here. Then place it in your pot. You repeat it till you are done. So we are done wrapping. It looks like this after wrapping. Now we'll put in water that will be enough to cook it. Don't pour it directly. So I've set it on the cooker to cook for 35 minutes. We'll come back and check it after 35 minutes. So guys, this is after 20 minutes. Let's check and see how it looks. So this is how it looks after 20 minutes. It's boiling. Another 20 minutes. Wow. So when you are cooking moi-moi with leaf, you know it's ready when the leaf changes color. Let me bring it closer so you guys will see the color. This from bright green to this dull green color. So our moi-moi is ready. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. God bless you.